What's up, guys? Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going for a test drive in a 1967 Chevelle. This one here has a 396 under the hood with power steering and a really nice brake setup. Disc brakes on the front, drum in the rear. Just did a walk around in this car, point out any kind of flaws on the paint, give you some undercarriage shots, checked out the interior. In this video, we're gonna be taking off down the road, point out any driving flaws. I do this so you know exactly what you're buying before you get here. Check out maplemotors.com for financing and shipping information, close to 100 detailed pictures, and all of our inventory. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe. If you like the music, subscribe to the channel up there in the right corner. All right, guys, it's about that time. Let's go for a ride. All right, we're gonna check out the car. Before we take off here, go ahead, place your bets. Do you think the horn works on this one? It's a really nice car. The seats are in great condition. Same with the rear package tray and the headliner. It is missing some visors. There's no visors in this one. Dash pad's in great shape. It's showing 24,000 miles on the dash. So your gas gauge is about halfway up. We got some aftermarket gauges down there, along with the vintage air. Let's go ahead and start her up. Starts up pretty easy. Vintage air is on, and it is it's not blowing super cold. Compressor's kicking on and everything. It's just not getting super cold here. So let's go ahead and cut that off. I couldn't get the radio to cut on in the walk around video. Did y'all place your bets on the horn? Horn works. Wipers, incredibly slow. They work, they're just really slow. All right, let's hit the road. I already got my seat belt on, got y'all set up in the window here. Anything that I see that this car may need, I will let you know about. We're gonna take off down the road. This is the first time I've driven this car personally. Speedometer's coming up on the dash. This car is pulling to the left. If I let go of the steering wheel, it'll pull me into the left lane slowly. Our engine temperature is reaching 180 now, so. Throttle doesn't feel too bad. Let's hit the brakes. Brakes feel pretty good. I don't think the kickdown's hooked up on this one. Doesn't feel like it. Suspension's not that bad. Got some slack, just a little bit of slack in the steering. It's turning there and it's turning there. Yeah, brakes feel good on this one. Car's idled down pretty low, nice and quiet. Trying to use my turn signal. It feels a little sticky on the right position, and it's not popping up on the dash. Neither way, so either both bulbs are out or the switch is out. We'll have to check when we get back. We also do detailed printout sheets going over every headlight, tail light, and turn signal, anything that works on the car. It's upon request. We're gonna pull in this parking lot here, do some drive-by shots, drive over the camera, give you an idea what it sounds like from the outside. You wanna see some of my gear? Look below in the description. You can see everything I use with Amazon links. Same place I bought them from. All right, let's get these shots. Guys, if I'm not mistaken, Sounds like we got a pause rear end back there. Alright, got y'all set up in the driver's seat here. We're heading on back towards the lot. Oil pressure is at 65. Engine temperature is at 190. Alright. You can hear this thing's got a spool in the rear end. See, the steering wheel's not perfectly straight either. Kind of having to keep it turned a little bit though. Otherwise it'll pull me over into that lane. It's got a slight pull. Alright, we're turning on that road that's got the speed bump in it. Kind of give you an idea on suspension. Listen for rattles. About halfway up the road here, I'll point it out. Look about right here. Fairly smooth. Not too bad. Had the compressor on this whole time. There we go. All right, we've made it on back to the car lot. Hope y'all enjoyed this test drive video. I got 2 more 67 Chevelles to get to today, so definitely be looking for that. And check out the walk around video on this car. Appreciate y'all riding with me. Guys, definitely check out maplemotors.com for financing and shipping information. Hit that subscribe button. We post videos every day. At least we try to. We got a ton of new cars coming in. I mean, they bought a lot this last weekend, so be looking for that. I appreciate y'all watching. Thanks again, guys.